Salutations to all our future judges. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare for civil judge exams preliminary part 2. Those who have not seen part 1, please go and see part 1. I provided the link in the iCard as well as in the description. You please watch the part 1 and then you can watch the part 2 so that you get the continuity of what has been stated. For this, we have taken the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission's advertisement number 555 of 2019 as an example, and we have analyzed the said notification for a better understanding. Recap of what we saw in part 1. We have seen about vacancies and pay scale, important dates and time, qualification, eligibility, disqualification for appointment, practice, experience certificate, bar no objection certificate, bar service certificate, when it needs to be produced in original, and what are all the said documents which needs to be submitted, and certificate of physical fitness. Those who are not seen part 1, please go and watch part 1. I provided the link in the iCard as well as in the description. 8 is fees. Kindly note that the fees stipulated in 2019 notification has been taken for analysis. The fee may vary in subsequent notifications. Every candidate has to pay a one-time online registration fee of rupees 150. This registration will be valid for 5 years. That is, you can apply for examination for 5 years without paying an online registration fee if you have made this once. Next is examination fee of rupees 500 is to be paid. In case of offline payment, the payment should be made within 2 days of submission of online application. In case of SC, ST, differently abled or destitute widows, the fees is totally exempted. That is, they need not pay the examination fee. In case of BC, MBC, denotified communities, they have fee exemption. But the condition is that the fee exemption is only for 3 applications. Or to say 3 times. They can use this benefit only 3 times. After 3 times, they are bound to pay the fee. And in case of ex-servicemen, they have fee exemption for 2 applications, or to say for 2 times. But however, there is a condition that if they already got recruited, then they are not eligible to claim this benefit under section 3J of Tamil Nadu Government Servants Conditions of Service Act 2016. For example, let us take an ex-serviceman has enjoyed the benefit and applied for an exam for the first time, and in the first time itself he has got selected. Then he cannot claim the benefit for the second time since he is already recruited, claiming the exemption. And if fee is not paid on time, the application will be rejected. So you need to ensure that the fee is paid on time. And the next point is, if somebody is claiming a fee concession beyond the admissible limits, for example, if they are exempted only 3 times or for 3 applications, if they are claiming the fee exemption for the 4th application, then their application would be rejected. 9th is mode of payment of fee. The online payment can be made through net banking, credit card or debit card. And in case of offline payment, the payment needs to be made within 2 days of submission of online application. And service charges are to be paid. Demand draft postal order will not be accepted. One-time registration should be paid only once, and once you get your password, that is sufficient. You need not pay the one-time registration fee again. After one-time registration, examination fee should be paid unless you are exempted from paying the examination fee. Fees once paid shall not be refunded or adjusted. Number 10. Concessions. Persons, those who are claiming concession, should produce evidence for the same. If they are claiming concession based on the community or based on being an ex-serviceman, They should produce those relevant certificates or relevant documents. And in case of those who are claiming full fee exemption, they are bound to produce the relevant certificates based on which they claim this concession. If they fail to produce these certificates or documents or evidences, their application will be summarily rejected. And ex-serviceman, once recruited claiming a concession, he will not be given another option to claim the concession. This is governed by Section 3J of Tamil Nadu Government Servants Conditions of Service Act 2016. 11th is scheme of examination in civil judge exams. This is very important. So please watch this part very carefully. First part is preliminary, the second one is main exam, and the third one is viva voce or interview. Preliminary examination is of objective type, that is multiple choice questions with optical mark recognition of 3 hours duration and for 100 marks. Minimum marks for pass. For SC/ST it is 30 marks, MBC denotified community, BC it is 35 marks, and for others it is 40 marks. Minimum marks are to be obtained for being selected to the main exam. Questions will be in English and Tamil. Each question will carry 1 mark and 0.25 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. Marks in the preliminary will not be counted for final order of merit. That is, the marks you obtain in preliminary is only for preliminary. It will not be counted for your main exam or for your viva voce or interview. Admission to the main exam will be in the ratio of 1:10. 1:10 ratio will be relaxed if all applicants get the same marks as cutoff for each reservation group. Syllabus for preliminary exam, this is very important. Part A, the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, Negotiable Instruments Act 1981, Transfer of Property Act 1882, the Indian Contract Act 1872, Specific Relief Act 1963, the Constitution of India, Tamil Nadu Buildings Lease and Rent Control Act 1960, and Tamil Nadu Regulation of Rights and Responsibility of Landlords and Tenants Act 2017, Tamil Nadu Act 42 of 2017. Part B is the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the Indian Penal Code 1860, Indian Evidence Act 1872, Criminal Law Amendment Acts, the Criminal Minor Acts, Information Technology Act 2000, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. Part C, the first thing is general knowledge. Questions will be asked in general knowledge as well of degree standard. Second is test of reasoning and mental ability. This will be of S.S.L.C standard, that is equivalent to 10th standard. Please note that minor acts mentioned in the syllabus are only illustrative and not exhaustive. This is the exact words they have used in the notification. What this actually means? Please note that questions could be asked from minor acts which have not been mentioned in the syllabus. Major acts have already been mentioned and they are generally exhaustive, whereas there are plenty of minor acts which have not been covered in the syllabus. So any aspirant who is preparing for civil judge exam should study all the minor acts. It is very important. So that is what the notification states. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel by pressing the red color subscribe button and select all to receive the notification immediately when a video is published in this channel. Please note that many are viewing the videos but are not subscribing. Your subscription is a great motivation to me to work for your development. Hence, those who are watching the videos, please do subscribe. Do share the video with those who are in need. It would be helpful to them as well. If you like the video, please do press the thumbs up button. Your comments are most welcome in this channel. I will try to reply to each and every comment. If you feel that I have left something in the video, or if you feel that I have to put a video on some other subject, you may leave that as a comment. Let us join hands together and contribute for a learned society. Thank you.